Welcome back to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we are making fresh homemade charcoal. It's surprisingly easy to make at home with just a few common tools. First, your chainsaw. Cut the wood into charcoal-sized lengths until you've got enough to fill a bucket. Then assemble your tools. You'll need a grill and a metal bucket with the bottom cut out and a grate attached. Get some coals going in the grill and let it smoke. Then fill your hollowed out bucket with the fresh cut wood and set it on the coals. Walk away and let it burn for an hour or so. Eventually, the wood will begin to reduce, becoming blackened and char-like.
We'll start the process of extinguishing it. You drop it. Okay. Oxygen in there. Now we've turned it into a closed retort, and the oxygen levels are dropping 15, 10%, 5%. So there's no longer burning, you don't have flames inside there anymore, but it's still smoking because there's microscopic cracks where some air is getting in, but basically it's now a low oxygen environment. It's going to spend the next 45 minutes slowly roasting down and then slowly cooling after that. So we're going to leave this for several hours now before we can use it again. But smoke is still coming out and that's good. That's still resin, pitch, water, all coming out. It's a true retort now.
As the fire is smothered and stops smoking, leave the wood to smolder all afternoon.
Okay, it's been smoldered enough. It's cooled down. We can expose it to oxygen safely now. And there is beautiful macadamia nut charcoal. Lovely charcoal. Very light. Really tasty.